Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's return back to the analysis of the euro currency on the daily time frame, and currently we are approaching to the very significant and important moment as in terms of the daily time frame as from the point of view of the weekly time frame, since market is approaching the significant area of support that we have specified previously. That is the 618 major 618 support that has been touched already once by this candle. Okay. And also that is the target of that pattern ABCD and the most recent ABCD pattern as well. The target stands in the same area. So 129.55 area is very significant support. And depending on how market will respond in this area will depend how market will act in the medium term perspective in the weekly time frame. So if market will find support here and will show some thrusting acceleration to the upside, then it could lead to the greater A, B, C bottom pattern. D is around 137 on the weekly time frame. If market will break this level to the downside and will accelerate to the downside, shift weekly trend on bearish side, in this case we should be prepared for stronger downward acceleration even in terms of the monthly time frame. So now it's just I suppose that some day will pass and we will see what scenario will prevail, since market is really very close to that pattern, and now we should drop our time frame and watch for the potential patterns in that area on the lower time frames, because on the daily you can see that market hasn't even closed the gap, hasn't returned back above any of these trend lines. So you could use this trend line as the triangle lower border, or you can use a bit flatter trend line. Even using this flatter trend line, you see that market stands below it and no sign of the failure breakout, no sign of the fast return above and return back inside of this triangle. Also pay attention that market stands below both of weekly pivot supports. So below pivot support, so that's monthly pivot support and this is weekly pivot support 1. So market stands now below both of them. So market currently, I suppose, shows some kind of the bearish pressure on the market, so it even doesn't give any chance to the bulls even to close the gap and to show any meaningful retracement to the upside. That is the sign of the strength, I suppose, of the bears. So on the 4-hour time frame, what we see? Yesterday we said on the forum, just after the research, that market has formed a stop grabber pattern right here, and it could lead to some acceleration to the upside, completing of that pattern A, B, C bottom, D that stands right inside of this confluence resistance, and this will probably give the chance to close the gap, but this hasn't happened. So market has formed a stop grabber, has tried to accelerate further to the upside, but this was not very significant pullback and returns right back. Take a look at this price action. You can see that trend holds bullish since market stands above this red line, and red line is the derivative indicator from the MACD, simple MACD. When the price stands above this line, trend by MACD is bullish. So you can see that market holds the bullish trend, but price action is not. Price action doesn't support that and continue move to the downside. This kind of price behavior calls bearish dynamic pressure, and usually it leads to the further acceleration to the downside. At the same time, take a look that market currently has formed another stop grabber composition, but now it's 2 bars in it. Stop grabber could be just by the single bar or 2 bars when the market moves below red line and returns right back. So in general, I prefer to see some kind of the butterfly reversal pattern here, because take a look at the targets of the potential butterfly. From that swing low, from this low to this high, 127 extension stands at 129.25, while 1618 stands at around 128 90 approximately. So take a look at the daily time frame. That is precisely in the same area of the completion point of these different ABCDs patterns and 618 support. So if market will form here the reversal pattern, it could be traded, I suppose, on the long side of the market with the hope that probably this is it. This is potential reversal on the daily time frame right around the strong area of support. Even if we will become wrong with it and market will continue move to the downside, I suppose that market probably will show some respect of this level, and this will help us to move either stop to break even or even to take some profit, even if we will be wrong. If market will be right, and if we will be right and market will accelerate further to the upside from that area, well, in this case our position will be very favorable. Well, depending on how market will respond with this pattern, butterfly could be different. First of all, take a look at the hourly time frame. That will be a bit clearer for you. In fact, we already have the hint on the potential butterfly. So that is the left wing. This right wing is forming here. So this is the right wing is forming. But this butterfly could shift to a bit greater butterfly if this pattern will work. So if pattern will work, the target of this pattern is this high in the yellow circle. So market will take out this high, and this could lead to greater butterflies, so that this will become the left wing and right wing will just start to form on the 4-hour time frame. If market will fail there and will erase this stop grabber pattern by taking out this low of this pattern, continue move to the downside, in this case the one thing that we just could get is just this butterfly pattern, but this not absolutely doesn't change the targets of this potential move to the downside, because as with this butterfly on the hourly time frame, as this potential greater on the 4-hour time frame, the targets, the destinations of this butterfly will remain the same. So that is what particularly we should watch for during current trading session. So if you have the short position, or probably you feel fine, protect it, and take a look at this level if market will accelerate further, with the attempt to watch for the potential close this position, or at least move your stop a bit tighter to the current price action, because this will be a really strong area of support, and this could really trigger some reversal of the price action around this area. So that is one of the potential scenarios that could appear on the daily time frame as well on the weekly time frame. So watch for these patterns. That's our current view on the market. Good luck to you and be careful today.